hide product in the receipt apps helps user to exclude unwanted products from the receipt. Now let's get into the product and set up the configuration first. For creating a product, we need to get into the point of sale, and the products, you can see the products. This is the product that I have created now. So let's get into a sales tab. User can tick on the hide in receipt checkbox to hide a product in the point of sale receipt. And if the product price is above 0 and enable this option, these products should be shown in the point of sale receipt. So now after creation of the product, let's get into the point of sale. Now open a new session now. So from here I'm going to choose two products. Along with that I'm going to choose a bag. Okay. Now let's select a customer. User can see the product as a hide in receipt in the product screen and added in the point of sale card. So let's create a payment by using any of the payment method. Let's validate it. Now user can see the product hide in the point of sale receipt. So in this way we can efficiently hide a product in the receipt of the point of sale.